for the sake of my precious child, I'm going to say this one time. I never did anything that you are seeing on the internet. It's defamation. All the text messages are doctored. They're all doctored and all fake. I never did anything, and I will never do a thing like that. It is defamation. This is for the sake of my precious daughter who's gonna grow up and see all this. I never did any of that. I never slept with anyone 5 months pregnant. I never cheated on my what is now the biggest regret of my life. That man at 5 months pregnant. I went to Nigeria. I came back. Athena was in my belly. A virtuous woman. Nothing in my life, and I swear on my grave, if I am lying, let my career die today, happened between me and anybody in Nigeria. But you see, that narrative is what he needs for me to look bad. And that's fine. No problem. You guys know that Mr. Kora Obidi has no relevance without my name. Mr. Kora Obidi has no relevance without me, dragging me and using me for clout. Can you guys stop running? Our news, Insta blog will carry. Every blog will carry anytime he calls my name. Can you stop it? Mr. Kora Obidi will be focusing on the next that he's cracking by now. If you guys stopped giving him all the clouds that he needs. He gave me antibiotic when he went to Santo Domingo, and then he came and I went to meet him in Santo Domingo. Before you know it, my total swell up like watermelon. He now gave me antibiotic when Athena was in my belly in Santo Domingo. So if you have something with your husband and then your total swell up, the next thing he's giving you antibiotics when your child is in your stomach, what does that tell you? All those text messages are doctored. Come out with your full chest and say the person. Let the person come out and tell me who her fiance is that I slept with at 5 months pregnant. Or else you will suffer.
Kora went to Nigeria for our friend's wedding, 5 months pregnant, and slept with this woman's fiance. So she was sleeping around while pregnant with my child, and I saw the text messages that they took from his phone. And here they are. I removed names to protect the people that told me about this. Seems like you've improved your skills. Kora, did you just insult me? Abibu, whatever. It feels like you were reaching my womb. Okay. It felt like hopes I didn't tamper with Justin's unborn baby, Athena. Nah, the baby. So I was upset because I found out that my ex-wife had been sleeping around while pregnant with our daughter, which is very risky business, which, you know, like you get an STD or something while you're pregnant, that's a big deal. Not only that, while she was pregnant, after she came back from Nigeria, she confided in me that she didn't think the kid was mine. So I found out that she had been sleeping around while pregnant with my child. And then she told me the child most likely wasn't mine. Of course I'm going to have a very visceral, emotional reaction. I think she probably said that to me so that she could get the reaction, record it, to put it on social media. But I'm a human being. I said what I said because of what I found out and what I was told. And my plan was I was leaving. There was no way I was staying with her. My plan was to leave when Athena was 3 months old, but I was done. I didn't care what people thought. I didn't care. I needed to protect my kids and raise them in a healthy living environment.